Alright, welcome back to AutoCAD tutorial session 3. So what we worked on earlier was how to add connections to this part over here, right? So the next part is to start thinking about, this picture. There's B connections over there. If you haven't added them already, I'm going to go ahead and add them right now. Let's see, how would we rotate this? We rotate a bunch of messy looking lines, and I want, let's see, quadrant snap, red ring, slide. Okay, let me try to use the center. Use center. Okay, red ring, ortho on, click, find that quadrant. Oh, whoops. Looks like let's flip the other way, no problem. We rotate. Use that center. Go 180 on the side. It looks a little off actually. Looks a little funky. Should just look like a single line. Let's move it from. That's very strange. Okay, there we go. Alright, now it's right on top of it. So the next step would be to get, all of these. So let's go ahead, let me see, let's try to mirror this. Ortho on. Alright, copy that. Not sure if you did that earlier, but it should work. Center snap to center snap. Oh, there's an extra one over here? I do have an extra one over here. Well, I'm gonna make this go on the red axis, 180 that. Move it from there to there. Let's just draw a line between this center and this center. Let's go ahead and mirror this. Delete the line afterwards. Okay, so these should all have connection now. It should look just like that picture. Hit close, hit save. Alright. So now it looks like this. Alright, perfect. So this is right now flush with this. So now we need to change this one, alright? But before we do that, we should really start adding it into the actual piece it's connected to, into block edit. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to work on the end bottom decking. So again, I'm going to hit Control Shift C. I can also use copy base. Now you can use clipboard. Alright, so select it and Control Shift C. I'm going to use this as my base point, and then I'm going to delete this immediately. click on the decking, type Vedit to go to the block editor. Paste that in, Control V. Alright, so that's looking pretty good. So I need to add an A connection to this. So I added, this is a B connection, which means I need an A connection. I need to press pull this about minus 0.25, right? And now I'm going to insert the A connection in. Let's see, let's go quadrant to quadrant. Let's re-rotate this so they're all facing the right direction. Whoops, ortho on makes things a lot easier. Okay, now I'm going to 3D rotate it with the center. Choose the red ring. I'm going to click and choose a quadrant snap. So there you have it. We have a connection there. I'm going to close and save, and voila, look at that. It's pretty cool, right? And if you notice, on the opposite side should also have one. So which means we did this part right. So perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and leave you guys to figure out the last part, which really shouldn't be too hard. So I'll see you in the next part.